Can you give us an update on today's cases?
Sure. It's December 10th, 2020 in KFL&A Public Health. Roughly, we have around 70 cases. Some will be resolving today, with over 500 contacts of these cases that we're monitoring. We have one person in hospital that just got admitted today. We have a number of outbreaks that we're following, and we name these not to lay blame or to shame anyone, but just to let the community know the level of activity at present in KFL&A. So at a place of worship, we had 12 cases that were directly associated with visiting the place of worship, and one family member now has turned positive, so we have 13 positives. We have a healthcare clinic in town where there were 7 direct individuals related to that clinic, either as healthcare providers or visitors, as patients, and now 16 of their families or friends have turned positive, so a total number of 23. We have a new outbreak as of yesterday at Chev Buick and their collision center. It's in Leeds Grenville Lanark, but we have 14 individuals in KFL&A who have tested positive and 12 in Leeds Grenville Lanark who have tested positive. The general advice is if you visited there between December 2nd and 8th, follow the advice on our website. If you develop any symptoms compatible with COVID-19, please get tested. Minimize your contact with others. We've had some off-campus activity downtown core, so associated with Queen's University, of younger people, where we had 2 people turn positive that went to one social event, and now 3 people most recently who went to a series of parties at downtown and numerous house parties. So we think that number will increase as well. We've been notified of a positive healthcare worker at Fairmont Long-Term Care Facility, but so far so good. We've tested other staff and clients of Fairmont Home and have no new positives as of today. And we have one retirement home that has 1 positive worker. We also had been working with home care partners where we had an outbreak associated with the provision of care in someone's home, and that's resulted with 6 positives from that exposure. So a number of areas of activity in the community. Please continue to practice good prevention strategies, wearing your mask, good hand hygiene, physical and social distancing, stay within your household, only go out if it's really essential, and want to thank everyone. I think we're doing well. This seems to be contained, and we have capacity to deal with these types of numbers of individuals. Thank you for getting tested. Thank you for staying home if you have to for the 14 days to monitor your symptoms. The system's working. We're doing well. We're going to get these numbers down, and we can head into the holiday season with a reduced risk if we all adhere to these best practices.